Hello guys, so you're welcome back. I'm on Coinmarketcap and Diamonds page. So I'm gonna reload my screen so you see that the values here they are not fake or they are real values. I'm gonna reload this screen here so you get overview of what we're trying to save. So we did a video initially talking about the new ways you can earn in diamonds. Um, for today we just got that these new ways are something that you can do every day, every single day. So that's the beautiful thing. It gives you opportunity to get extra diamonds. So you now have an opportunity to get extra diamonds. So with this daily task reward, so we've claimed the ones for today, the normal diamonds that you do on a daily basis. So it says here we have a 60. So we're going to go over to the airdrop page, and also the price estimate page, and okay, let's go and complete the tasks. So on the price estimate page, all you need to do is just um, go over to any cryptocurrency that you are familiar with or you can estimate their prices. You impute the proposed price estimate that you feel the token will be getting soonest. So I'm going to go with Thunder Kick. I'm going to click on this Thunder Kick here. So you need to do for at least three of them. So for Thunder Kick, let's look at Thunder Kick app. So first of all, I want to add it to my watch list. It should just be on our watch list. Our watch is set at public. It's not really compulsory for you to put it on your watch list, but that's what we want to do. So we're gonna wait for these tokens to load up. Uh, I think we're having some network issues. So guys, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, then you can drop your comment in the comment section below. Then if there are any questions you can ask us. Feel free to share this video, like this video, subscribe, and I think that's that. So I'm going to pause this video now to see how far we can reboot this network. So guys, the price estimate just finished popping up. So I'm going to click on submit estimate. Click on submit estimate for this particular one. So input is going to be, so we're going with the 10%. You can also edit it. So I'm going with the 10% increase. I'm going to submit another estimate too. So you can, okay, I'm going to make this one 5 or 10 again, make it the same 10. Then for this one, last one, I'm gonna make it 2. So guys, let's go check our diamond page if we are eligible for this one, so you understand how these things work well enough. So I'm gonna go over to the diamonds page and see if we're now eligible for it. So you can drop your comments in the comment section. Feel free to like this video. So there are various lots of coins here, so the possibility of you making estimates is unlimited, and there's a to leaderboard for price estimations. So you may want to you would want to uh, make estimates in order to be on this leaderboard, because there's also going to be reward for people who make a good people who make people who are able to make a good estimates, price estimates. So we're just having some network backlogs here. So guys, the page just loaded up, and I think I mistakenly clicked on something else. The page just loaded up, but what you notice is that the diamonds, if you make price estimates on a particular token, it does not count on as three. If you make three estimates on a particular token, it does not count as three. So what's saying here, you can see if we zoom in, it says one of three completed. So meaning you need to make estimates of about three tokens to be able to be eligible for these diamonds. So I'm going to go over, make an estimate for, let's say, Cardano, Shiba Inu, position exchange. Let's go position exchange, make a price estimate for them, and then we check out any other one. I think if you make a price estimate for a particular day, you can also make price estimate for that same token on on another day too, the next day. So let's wait a little bit for this to load up. Let me pause this video. So guys, this is the price estimate for this particular token. So we're going to submit this. I'm clicking on submit here. So we're done with that. So we made the price estimate for that. So I'm going to go to another token. So once we go to another token, we'll do it, and then we'll head over to airdrop sections. So guys, we've done one for Ethereum before. We're going to try it again to see how far, if it allows us to go. So we just concluded this another estimate. So I'm going to head over directly to our diamonds page to see how far. I'm going to refresh this page for this to pass, for the diamonds page to load up. Currently having some network issues. I think that's a major hindrance here. So guys, for these diamonds you can utilize them in getting rewards such as NFTs which the prices are not fixed. You can make a whole lot of money from these NFTs, and you can search up to redeem them. Okay, so guys, it says here if you make an estimate for a particular token in a day, you can also make more estimates for that token the next day. So, and it will be eligible for you to collect your rewards. So I'm going to click on collecting rewards. See, it's loading already. It says we just collected additional 10 diamonds.